Thank you very much to Stefan Handler and to Lorena Softy. To all my supporters sa NGD Fam, thank you very much for the very big support. May God bless you all. Sup fam, so I just got a new bird again. My brother found this on our backyard and it doesn't know how to fly yet. She's very skinny. I think she didn't eat for like 3 days. She's scared and doesn't want to be touched. But I managed to tame her for 1 day. I just keep petting her. This one got bitten by a rooster and she lost his tail. I let them play outside every day and I check them every 15 minutes. And I also feed them every 40 minutes. Come on. Charlie, come. Charlie. Come. Charlie. 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 This is Jelly, a very tame African lovebird, and he is 3 months old now. So I let them play outside every day. And this is the other one. And this is my turtle. Let's clean him. Okay, he looks clean now. Next, let's change his water. it's already 9 and Coleman needs to take a bath. So let's give him my water. Coleman.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I start